Hi guys, welcome back. It's Nadine. Today I am in my daughter's old room. We didn't move yet, but we are going to move eventually. But my husband and I were sitting in our office and we were saying how we need more room in this office. So my husband came up with the idea, well, why don't we take our daughter's room and put her in the office? And he was like, she's not going to go for that. But she actually thought it was a good idea. So this past week we just moved everything, downsized her bed, and now our office is now her bedroom, which is a lot bigger. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. It is a mess, but the point of this video is that I'm doing a DIY project. I'm trying to make my own craft table, but let me show you what the room looks like. So this is our daughter's old room. When you walk in, this is my husband's area. I'm telling you, it's a mess in here because we just moved everything in. But we have a lot more room, and that is my area. Again, we're trying to clean it up, but this is an IKEA Kallax, if I'm pronouncing it right, and I'm going to make my craft table off of this. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. I was saying to my husband, I want to make a craft table, but I don't want to pay for it. So we have a Facebook page in our town where it's called Buy Nothing in the town name. I don't share my town name because, you know, I don't want you guys to know exactly where I live, but it's in Boston. And basically it's people who want to give away stuff and you don't have to pay. So I saw this, and so many people tried it again. The last person who tried picked it up. It couldn't fit in her car. So I asked her if it was still available. She said yes. She said, do you have a car that can fit it? I said I have a minivan, so I got this for free. Oh, I'm so excited because this is exactly what I want. As you can see, it's a little dirty, but I'm going to clean it up. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn this into a craft table that's going to sit in the center of the room. And it's going to be on casters so I can wheel it out the way. But I will show you how I do that. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've researched legs because this leg is for my table. I had two of them. And as you can see, it's too short. So with extensive research and the help from my husband, I went to IKEA and I got it's in Swedish, so Swedish, yeah, Stuva Grundlig. Sorry if I'm butchering it, but you know, basically it's a short leg, and what I'm gonna do is screw. It comes with two of them, so I bought 2 packs. There were two of these for $5. So I bought 2 packs, and I paid $10 for 4. So what I'm gonna do is take this and screw this in. I took off. Hold on. The leg originally comes with this on it. Sorry for the glare, guys. It's kind of sunny today. It comes with this, and this goes on here, and so I took this off. And
I just have one more to say.
I'm recording. Doesn't matter. I'm doing a thing. So I'm taking this screw, it's screwed in here. And then take this part and screw this on here. So now, when I put the table, it's going to be a little bit taller than this. So it works out great. Because I was about to buy adjustable legs, and they were going to be $15 each. And I had to buy 4 because they don't come in a set. And it would have been $60. And now I only paid $10 just for this extension. So I have 4 of them right now. These are 2, and there's 2 over there. And so what I'm about to do now is clean this up because, as you can see, it's dirty. I'm going to clean this up, and then I got to go upstairs and get the tabletop, and then I'll show you how I put this all together. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this is the table. It's on the back side, wrong side. I think it was last year I did I redid the computer area in my kids' room. I got 2 of these, so I'll link that video down below if you want to see that. But as time goes by, we didn't need the second table, so instead of giving it away, I kept it. And here's a tip for you. When you are taking furniture apart, always put the screws in a baggie and tape it to the table. That's how I was able to have them. So I'm going to put on the first leg and then put on the rest of them. Let you guys come a little closer. Okay guys, so here is my craft table that I finished. It looks really good. I'm satisfied with it. My daughter saw the table. She's like, I need a space, because my oldest daughter has her own craft area because she's an animator and, well, future animator. And my daughter likes to draw, so she took it upon herself and created this little space right here for herself. She made this. And that's her. It's supposed to be her winning an Oscar. So she's putting it out there. And she just wanted a little space, so I let her have it. And this is her stool. That's her bin. And this is her bin in here. What's in here anyway? All her art supplies and stuff. So, yeah. And then she asked me to write this. It was her words, but I just wrote it. She says, "You are my inspiration, now craft." So that's her pig telling her that. She loves pigs, in case you don't know. So just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm like out of breath. I'm a little under the weather today, but yeah, this is the table. Create this table for only $10. Why? Because of this right here. Because of that. That cost me, each leg was 2 sets was $5. So I bought 2 sets. And this is a table that I have for my craft from when I was doing my kids' computer area, and we didn't need the second table. So I kept it, and I'm glad I did. So this works out beautifully. And it's just, I need the table to be a little bit higher. But what I love about it has overhang, so I can sit under here and do work. But yeah, I think it looks so good. I can keep my Cricut out now. This is my other desk, because I used to work here, but my desk would be so messy because of cutting and, you know, gluing and stuff. So now I don't have to work over there. I can work over here and have more space and spread out. So that's a wonderful thing. I can keep my ring light up. This is my workspace. A little messy, but you know what? It's real life, you know? This is real life. So, yeah, I'm so happy with the results of it. I hope this inspires you guys to, you know, figure out how to do a space and not cost a lot. $10 right here. If this is your first time watching, thank you for coming by and watching my video. Give it a thumbs up if you love videos like this. And please subscribe. And until we meet again, guys, have a very blessed day.